Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you the coolest toilet paper holder. Y'all, look at this Tindbea mega size toilet paper holder with a shelf. I love the convenience of it, but I also love how beautiful it is. Look at this beautiful matte black finish. It is matching all of my other fixtures. We're just finishing up a bathroom remodel, so I love that it comes with this 3M self-adhesive sticky pad, and it has the bonus hooks so you can use for something like a robe or a towel, whatever you want to hang. You can even use them in a different room. But look how incredibly perfect that fit in my space. I love the way it looks. It's got kind of that modern, stylish vibe to it. Just really elevates that space, but it packs a punch. It holds a large roll of toilet paper, very important for a large family. It also is going to be rust proof and anti-scratch, so that's good, especially in a restroom. But I love that, like I said, it has this little shelf. You can put your cell phone, you can put wipes, whatever little small thing that you need on there, possibly even to make it pretty, a little small plant. Overall, I just cannot say enough good things about it. So I'm a sucker for anything that serves multi-purposes, and that is why I love this toilet paper holder. It's not only beautiful in the perfect matte black, fits great in my space, but it has a cute little shelf so you can put your cell phone or anything else small that you need. And I just all around am so pleased with it, and I know you will be too. That's my point of view.